So hi guys, it's me Jinansh, and so today I am going to get dinner in a themed restaurant. So come and join me, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe as always. So guys, it's Surat city, and do you know that the roads are very broad here and there's so much trees everywhere, and this evening is very bright actually. Many vehicles are coming by, and we are going to a restaurant. That's what this video is for actually. Hey look, it's Kargil Chowk and it is lit up with Tiranga lights. And we are just crossing the road and we've got passed through it now. And look, the restaurants are very much crowded with people, and people come here to greet and meet with each other, and then they just hang out everywhere like with old friends and everything. So we are just passing by. So guys, look at this multiplex. The latest movies are shown here to other people. And look, there is many paratha food carts and there are many people eating on the roadside. That's what Surat is famous for. So guys, whenever you're visiting Surat, you should try out these parathas too. There are many varieties and other types of parathas you've never tried. So guys, Big Bazaar just came. It is a big mall. You can buy your daily groceries and clothes from here, and that's everything. And we are going to be here in some time actually. And people are just coming out to spend some leisure time, and then even we are coming out to spend some leisure time, because everybody needs some leisure time in once in a while. So guys, we are just going to reach our destination in some minutes or time. Okay, I don't want to reveal the name, but it's gonna come. Look, it's the Ropeway restaurant. That's where we're going. So it's a Ropeway themed restaurant, and let's go. So guys, now we are at the restaurant, and that is the restaurant we're going to. You see the orange lighting? So we're going there. Now let's go. Guys, the ambience of the restaurant is marvelous, and there is some ropeways actually here. And look at the anchor up. I think they like pirates or something, but it's just the style. I don't know what they like. Okay, and there's so much lighting over here that makes the place bright. There's so many sitting areas. And if you have a joint family, then this is the perfect place for them to go, because there's so many seating areas. Wow guys, it's really like a ropeway. Sitting area. of salad. So guys, it is a big and cool experience. So guys, waiting is a little bit boring, but it's okay because end results are always cool. Guys, my place has finally been found. Let's go. So we are served with the delicious guava juice. Let's try it. It's really awesome if you drink it. So guys, this is tomato soup with some croutons. So let's try it. It's really good actually. So guys, we were served with the paneer and corn tikka and some chats like dahi puri and pani puri. And it was so tasty that I couldn't resist it to eat. And then we tasted some salads like spaghetti, beans, then corn and other stuff. And this is our meal. Some paneer sabji, naan, then sweets like gulab jambu. So guys, at last, after our dinner, I got the dessert. So by the way, if you wanted to know what options there are, there is just one candy and there is even butterscotch cone over here.